Doesn't matter whether you're talking to any of them, you'll find that the competitiveness on pricing is really strong right now. And that's not always the case. Sometimes, there's distinct gaps between different tiers of builders. So, that those gaps have really shortened over the last, probably 2 years, but more so right now, I think, than ever. Interestingly with those, Cole, is they're not emotional buyers. These are people just working out the sums and saying that's a great place and good value to invest in right now. That's what I can afford. That's what I can buy into. And they're not worried about, am I getting 40 mil stone bench tops or 20 mil stone bench tops? They're worried about, is this going to make me money in the long run? Am I going to be able to get a tenant? What sort of rental return? Are there any other costs, etc.? Some of the handbrakes that have been on the Victorian market, such as land tax, they're taking all that into consideration and still realising that actually it's a really good investment. So,
Yeah.
that's really, really positive to see that investor movement in the market.
I think it's good. And a lot of people listen and go, well, I'm not an investor, but what investors do impacts you massively, probably more than you realize.